Well, hi everybody and welcome back. This is just a real quick quickie, and if you watched the last video you would have seen me plant the radish seeds and the lettuce seeds on Saturday. Well, it's now Monday and as you can see they're actually getting away, so I expect to be able to transplant these into their own cell pots in about 5 to 8 days, and I should think 5 days for the radish. The Antarctic lettuce, can't see anything started on that yet. I won't bet, maybe something down there, not quite sure. But definitely the other one, lots of little shoots showing there. So that's a good thing really. And just a quick run around the old unheated greenhouse. There's the old dahlias you saw me pot. Nothing happening with them yet, it's still early days. And obviously go round to our red onions and our shallots. You can see that's growing really well there. So the skins are starting to split, so they're starting to grow. Obviously the little onions, we've got some more shallots down there growing. That's waiting to be planted at the moment. And obviously these are our garlic. The large onions where we saw the hoops. The strawberry plants. I mean, this is unheated, this little greenhouse, so I suppose it takes the frost off it a little bit, and obviously these are the large onions down there which we planted further on. And this is a calla lily. I just brought it in here really to keep the frost off of it, a little bit of protection, and it seems to make it flower just that little bit earlier. And I've still got I've got a little basket of tomatoes to make and a basket of strawberries, but these are for our daughter. I mean, they come with like obviously the seeds and the compost in a bag, so I think you just take it out, you know, wet the compost, put the seeds on, leave it somewhere warm, and they seem to grow. So that's something we were doing for her, giving to them later on in the year. Well, that's it folks, thanks for watching, and we'll keep an eye on these and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.